Dear friend, we see once again the fog is very strong right now in this area because the altitude is higher than what do you say? I have forgotten the name. Pilot, I have to know. Ground, and that's why the fog is very strong. When we are going down, the fog get less and less. As you see, just goes about 300 feet. My correction is AGL, above ground level. Alright, it's very, very careful in Germany. Take care of the traffic light. It's very important. In some of them base the camera, and you will get the bill later how much you have to pay. And actually in Germany, when you go by the red, they will take your license about 1 month up to 3 months if it will be continue for the second time. But third time, if you do that, not only you have to pay the hard punishment, but also you will lose your driving license, and you have to go psychological test first, and after that you have to do again. It means you go again to the school of driving school and continue. In Germany is hard, but it's not hard than Switzerland. Switzerland is very hard, especially when you drive faster than allowed. As foreigner, you have to pay very much more money as punishment. It's a punishment. دوستان عزیز، من به انگلیسی صحبت کردم، براشون گفتم که تو آلمان حق ندارین چراغای قرمز رد بکنین. اگه چراغ قرمز رد بکنین 3 بار که رد بکنین گواهینامه‌تون رو ازتون میگیرن و قانون مجازاتش خیلی شدیده تو آلمان. کسی که چراغ قرمز رو رد بکنه یا کسی که گواهینامه نداشته باشه، مخصوصا گواهینامه نداشته باشه و رانندگی بکنه، اینا تو انگلیسیش نگفتم، به حساب مجازات زندان داره تو آلمان و 5 سال این به حساب توی پروندهش میمونه که ایشون اجازه گواهینامه نداشته و رانندگی غیر مجاز کرده تو آلمان. و همینطور اگه مثلا ببینیم الان سرعتمو میارم پایین‌تر، بخاطر اینکه اینجا سرعتش 50 ولی من معمولا میارم تو 40، بخاطر اینکه طرف چپ این جاده خیابون یه دستگاه الکترونیکی راداره که نشونتون میدم. I told in Persian there is on the left side, as you see the left side, this one, it's a radar. If you go faster, you see, if you go faster, he will catch you. ملاحظه کردین این رادار رو دیگه. خب